dito, yung pag-attend ni Bato de Rosa, from the perspective of a campaign strategist, mukhang this was something that he needed to attend, this recent debate.
The Bato brand kasi is that, you know, the thing with the fandom of Senator Bato is if he gets ever gets caught in a corner with a really tough question, the fandom, I'm absolutely going to get flamed. Obviously, madadali tayo ng mga trolls nito, Ian, at marami na namang galit sa akin. But the fandom of Bato is such that he can just spout some slogan, he can just make an antic, wave the, di ba, naalala mo yung ginawa niya, wave niya yung ano, sumayaw-sayaw siya nung lumabas yung picture ni PRRD. He can just do that and distract away from the question. So, it's a no-lose proposition for a candidate like Senator Bato.
Talaga, no-lose, no? Pero, who do you think perform well doon sa debate na yun? Yung tipong siya yung nag-shine.
Well, to be honest, in terms of what? In terms of what I'm looking for as a voter, or all in all? Yun ang ano, yun ang
as a campaign strategist, parang who killed it? Metaphorically, okay, yung iba kasi hindi mag-gets yung ano.
Sad to say, nobody really stood out for me. It was quite vanilla, if I'm being honest. Again, Attorney Luke got some good shots in. So probably him. Probably siya na yung lumitaw.
Yung wala kay Heidi Mendoza, napapanood ko yung mga clips Yung kinat-cut, yung sagutan nila ni Attorney Jimmy Bondoc.
She actually let off the gas. Although maganda yung mga sinabi niya kay Attorney Bondoc noon na she took it as an opportunity to talk about her credentials, di ba? May experience din tayo dyan, kaya may alam din ako sa Defense College, so I know what it is I'm talking about when we speak about the defense implications of these policies. So it was, I mean, she had a couple of good opportunities there, but if I were her, I would have been a little more aggressive. I would have bared a little more fangs. Sayang.
She didn't go for the jugular, so to speak.
And here we are, suddenly the spirit of Edu Manzanas has taken over this vessel.
Pwede bang i-revise ni Commissioner Heidi yung isang sikat na lyric dati? Hindi ko tinasabing one-hit wonder yun. Parang, okay, Attorney Jimmy, let me be the one. Although,
actually, stuff like that would have been brilliant. Can you imagine how viral Commissioner Heidi would be? And rightfully so. Commissioner Heidi, in her own right, deserves to be viral, deserves to go viral, deserves to be considered. Pero can you imagine, Ian, kung yun yung soundbite niya?
Kaso may nakakalala pa ba nun? Sabi na iba, one-hit wonder yun
Well, alam mo, it has now become a lie. So, I'll tell you one last time before you say goodbye. Memorize ko yung lyrics
Ako kunwari, pinagtatanggol niya si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. You don't have to make excuses. You just need to find the setup where human rights will be protected. Parang ganon.
Correct. It doesn't always have to be binary, Attorney Bondoc, where someone wins and someone loses. Yeah.
You just have to say your love for Duterte was strong.
But it's now a lie. Ayan ka na.
Pwede na. Ayan, advice po yan. Free tip. Kaso mukhang hindi yan punching up your weight class Kasi hindi naman ganun kataas yan.
Hindi naman yan punching up your weight class. But boy, the opportunity to go viral and to actually, wow, that clip would have been shared. That would have broken the internet. Ika nga. That would be the equivalent of VP Lenny's thumb. Naalala mo yung ginawa ni VP Lenny noon.
Ayun, maturo.
Tinuro niya yung katabi niya. When the question was about corruption, tinuro niya yung katabi niya. So, yon, that would have been the equivalent of that. Better pa siguro.